I've been invited here with Beyond The Box to create a space within the Peabody community of Southmere.
This whole week has been such an eye-opening experience. We are learning so much about buildings, architecture, design, and activation of our local residential space.
This week we've done a lot of activities based on building and designing the area. On Monday we first looked at the place that we were going to use in Southmere Lake. We looked at Unit 6, took photos and understood how we could use the area. On Tuesday we went over to see the architects in Hoxton.
So we got the young people to have a go at doing site analysis exercise, so looking at the opportunities and challenges around Cygnet Square and also around the unit itself. Then did a site tour, getting the young people to have a look at different shop fronts around Hackney Road and getting inspired. We finished the day with collaging and elevation studies so that they can then take that the next day with the landscape architects and really look at that holistically together.
We've met up with different companies. We looked at what a building looked like inside. We also met with a landscaping company, so looking more about what happens outside of a building and how that process goes.
Today we've been running the workshop for the Design and Makers course, focusing on landscape and activation.
I've really enjoyed the kind of site analysis of looking into the architectural space of Cygnet Square, and as well as networking with other people and finding out what other people's interests are in the local community.
We really value community consultation and specifically working with the youth.
And it's really important that we can work with companies like Beyond The Box, engaging particularly young people who are often left out of the whole community engagement process.
On Thursday we were at Tottenham Court Road with Price and Myers.
We're working here with Beyond The Box today with some young people, just showing them a bit about structural engineering, civil engineering. Yeah, so we're doing some activities, working with the young people to build some models. I know other consultants on the team have been doing similar activities earlier on this week. So hopefully by the end of the week, everyone taking part will have a much better idea about what goes into designing a building.
My favourite part about this project is making new friends and also creating a space for young people.
Being a part of this means that your thoughts and your concerns are being heard, as well as an active solution to whatever you're saying.
We're gathering up all of our work. I'm going to be pitching to Peabody. I'm going to be showcasing our ideas.
And I think that the young people have done a fantastic job of creating the vision they have for the space. And I can also tell that they've put in a lot of work into it. They've thought about all the different things like accessibility, making sure that the space is inclusive. We want this to be a community-led initiative by them, for them.
And I think what was really great is to see the really strong communication of drawings, model making, really harnessing the knowledge and experience and insights that they gathered from their time with the different consultants during the week.
Hoping that this kind of encourages young people and embraces the idea of them having a sense of individuality and also just them having a place where they could call like a second home at least.
I'm excited to see how Unit 6 actually turns out and people actually coming, because it'll be a really nice place for young people like myself to go and just chill with friends.
Doing really good work in Beyond The Box. I like how they're so determined about making young people feel included and making sure they're going to be a part of something so great like this, and essentially just making everyone feel like a community and bringing everyone together.
I'm very privileged to have this experience with Beyond The Box, and I cannot wait to see our ideas come to life.
I'm really glad that from the start they've been involved in the process and in fact have taken the lead. I'm looking forward to how this space comes to life.